So the first thing we have to do here is to complete the elevation. So bring these points up onto your elevation and join them back up to your 0 here. Now H and B are here, G and C, F and D, E and A. So A is getting cut here, H and B are getting cut here. Now we're going to have to look at CG, probably have to draw an end view to find that point. F and D are going to get cut here and E is going to get cut here. So we're going to bring those now straight down nice and lightly. Point E, that's where E gets cut. Okay, get started on that. So we cannot locate these where G and C get cut here. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to draw an end view. So draw a line off 45 degrees from E. Bring all these points across. Bring these in straight up. Also the 0 point, we're going to have to bring it over. It is there. And the ones we're missing is G and C, so these are important. We get these ones. There's C and G, and they get cut here. Sorry, G and G here. That point there. That's so we're going to give this. All right. We'll do the same for the other one. E. It's cut here. F and D get cut here. F and D are going to get cut along that line. H and B are going to get cut along that line. And A is going to get cut along that line. So A is going to be there. Now, D. So H and B. Now, once you get all those points, so it's just you just have to be very careful because D is going to come across here and it's going to come up. All right, so it's going to be along that there. D is going to be along that line there somewhere. We come over here, we find D gets cut here, we bring it across, and there's where D gets cut. Then you simply join these points together. Draw these in heavy.
How do you do that?
No. Now C0 and G0, we couldn't get this here, but we can get it from here now. So let's call this point 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 are here. So we're bringing 5 down to this line here, and 4 down. And then we're going to bring those across to here. And then we simply can start joining these dots together now. That's the plan then of our cut. Rugs and heavy because these are going to stay in. Yes, to finish this off, again, we are going to this time, we're looking straight up at this here. We're looking straight down at it, sorry. We're not seeing the true shape of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to move over to here. We're actually moving all the way around from here, but anyway, and we're going to look up at that there at 90 degrees. So get your set squares lined up with that XY line. And you're going to draw these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And down here then we have 8, 6, 7, 4, 5, 2, 3, and 1. Again, from this XY line, you're going to get your compass. You're going to measure from the XY line down to 1, and you're going to mark it out there. Now this one and 8 should be the same, so you can mark the 8 as well. Get your compass. Measure down to the point 2. Mark out point 2. From the XY line, measure out to 3. So that's 2 and 3. From the XY line, you're going to measure out to 4. You're also going to measure out to 5. From the XY line again, measure out to 6. Measure out to 7. So now all you have to do join those there up. And that's going to give you the true shape of that cut part, that truncated cut.